If anybody is in the market for a Ford Transit, we'll have one for you here in just a second. As a matter of fact, this one right here, this white one right here, actually has a window sticker on it, which we will get to in just a second. See, it appears to be brand new, ready for customization if you're in the market to customize a Ford Transit or anything in that category. Also wanted to show you all of the, I guess those are Ford Expeditions. Yeah, there's Ford Expeditions. And there's a bunch of Ford Broncos at this dealership as well. In this high inflation environment, they just got too much sitting on the lot. Way too much sitting on the lot. Just a row of Ford Broncos sitting here. Look at all these Ford Broncos. If anybody's in the market for a Ford Bronco, here you go. And as I said previously, I'll get you the window sticker on this one, this Ford Transit. Brand new. This one comes in at MSRP $58,120. Their asking price is $61,608. This is ready for customization. Brand new. There you go.